It's January 12th, 2011. This is the Oakland, Maine snowstorm. January the 12th, 2011. They're estimating about 3 to 5 inches an hour. And it's coming down pretty hard. You can see out in the woods. It's just blanketing. We have some pretty big snow banks coming up. See that big bank there? Tried to take the one car out a little earlier, but they hadn't plowed the streets. That's why it's a little cleaned off, but the truck, she's pretty much buried. So this is Maine winters, January 12th, 2011. I'm standing in about 2 to 3 feet of snow. The roof was just shoveled and it's already back up there. This is a beautiful sight. I'm going to have to get it shoveled again, but it's a good look at there's a good look at the truck. She's covered. There's a good look at the house here in Oakland, Maine. And she's covered. I guess they do mean it when they say it's a winter wonderland out here. Got both wood burning stoves going. And it's blizzard conditions. I want to get off this area here. We have snowbanks building up. I'm sure the camera's starting to get a little bit wet inside the lens. Back there is the woods. Salmon Lake is right behind my house. This is where I do my hunting, fishing, back here. We got snowdrifts building up here. I don't know if you can see the banks. Some pretty big snowdrifts. There's Lexi. Hey girl. How are you, baby? You out here okay? You like going with Daddy, don't you? Come on, girl. And we're going to make our way around the house. So this is Sea Dog Nation. Again, showing you the blizzard of, first blizzard of 2011. January 12th, 2011. It's coming in pretty hard now. Wind's picking up to about 35, 45 miles an hour right now. You can see it blowing in. Something fierce. This is blizzard conditions. This will sink you quick. We're getting some very, very thick snow quick. Sea Dog Nation. Hope you enjoyed the update. We're going to get back in the shelter. Signing out.